A gin fizz is a cocktail that's been around since the mid-1800s. It sort of came around with the advent of carbonated soda water. And there's a very famous version that uses an egg white. Today, we're going to make a classic gin fizz. It's a fantastic drink that's easy to make, and it's great for parties. I'm Amy, and I am on a mission to become a better cook. Click the subscribe button below to join me. Now, let's make a gin fizz. So we have our little shaker here, and I'm going to fill this baby up with some ice first off. We want a nice cool cocktail. Yay. We'll put a lot of ice in there. And now we're going to put 1.5 ounces of our gin. Yay, right? So we have our little thing here. And I'm going to take our gin, 1.5 ounces of gin. Yay. That's going in. Ooh. And now we need some lemon juice. So I have a little lemon here. And we're going to go ahead. We need 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, which is basically 22 milliliters. So I'm going to take our juicer here. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like lemons. Yum. The other thing I'm going to do here is I want to cut a little wedge of this lemon because I'm going to put a garnish. I know that a traditional gin fizz doesn't really have any garnishes, but I want a little bit of a garnish, even though I sort of cut that kind of thin. Okay, so we need 22 milliliters of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. And it's basically 3/4 ounce, but my measurement here doesn't have 3/4 ounce, so we're going 22 milliliters. Going in. So I need 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can make this just by taking 1 cup of hot water, putting a cup of sugar in there, 1-to-1 ratio, letting it all dissolve. You just want it to be completely dissolved. That's why you do a simple syrup. So we're going to do 1 ounce. Woo! Simple syrup. And now we're ready for the shakeroo. The shakeroo. Shakeroo. Woo! And this basically gets your drink really cold. And you can feel it here. It's this right here. Look at how it's like fogging up. Because you want it really cold. Basically shaking it makes it cold. Okay, and we're going to strain this into a highball glass. This is actually kind of a modified highball glass. It's short. It's called the Delmonico. But you can just use a regular highball glass. Mine has a strainer here on the top, but I want it strained a little bit more, so I'm just going to use a fine strainer. We're going to strain this into our glass. Woo! You have to give it the little clip of your finger so it looks like you're being fancy. And we're going to top it off with some club soda. Woo! This is where you get your fizz. Woo! I think we got a lot of fizz in this club soda. Top this baby off. Woo! And we're going to take our lemon here Give us a little garnish. Sweet, right? If it'll stand up. There we go. Now it's time for the best part. Cheers, guys. The lemon, it's interesting, the combination between the lemon and the gin and the club soda. It's almost like it's, I mean, if I put a little lime juice in it, I feel like I have kind of like a adult 7-Up, right? But more fresher tasting. Really good. Really refreshing. Try it. The Gin Fizz. You'll really like it. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Facebook, my group is Amy Learns to Cook. So it's facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Really good. And it gives you a little cheeky. Cheers.